Well, today is National Wear Red Day. Today is all about, of course, creating awareness for heart disease.
And according to the American Heart Association, I gotta go get my pen, by the way, it is the #1 killer of women. And Liz Coe is live over at Baton Rouge General with the details. Liz, good morning.
Hey, good morning to you guys here from Baton Rouge General. We're over here at the Cardiac Center because we're talking about heart healthiness. And really, it's important to create awareness for this because I understand the American Heart Association says heart disease claims the lives of 500,000 women a year. So all morning, we're going to give you tips on how to keep your heart healthy. And this morning, we're talking to the executive chef, John Lindemood, and we're also talking to a dietitian here, Larry and Bazil. Good morning to you guys.
Good morning.
And so tell me, what is this box that we're looking at here?
Well, this box is kind of our version of Blue Apron. It's a all-inclusive box with everything you need to make a meal for 4 people. The only thing we haven't provided is the protein. So and it's a heart healthy item. It's designed with a recipe card inside for all the items inside, including the pork chop that isn't actually provided, but we want to make sure that everybody that gets one can do these items at home. Inside we've got everything from the balsamic vinegar for the reduction glaze, to the olive oil just to saute the item itself, to marinade, fresh broccoli, fresh sweet potatoes, and of course fresh pears.
That is awesome, and that's all made and designed here.
Yes.
That's
yes, it is.
incredible.
We bought all the items and prepared the boxes. We did some research into which items we wanted to use, which items we thought would be best, and which ones would be the most recognized at home.
Awesome. And Larry, can you tell me why it's important to really keep your heart healthy by eating?
Definitely. One in three American women die each year from heart disease, so it's very important to eat heart healthy foods that we have included in this box, just because they focus on a lot of the vitamins and nutrients that we need in order to protect our hearts. Our body is in machine, and we need to keep it well oiled and working, so it's very important that we eat well. And so we've included some of those things here in this box to help you guys with that.
That is awesome. And we're going to put photos and details for you online at WAFB.com. But remember, we're giving you tips all morning. So stay tuned for later on in the show because we're going to be live all morning here at Baton Rouge General. I'm Liz Coe for WAFB 9 News. Back to you.
The American Heart Association reports that heart disease is the #1 killer of women.
That's why today, of course, is National Wear Red Day. It's a day of awareness to remind women to keep their hearts healthy. Liz Coe live at Baton Rouge General with more on the day and how everybody can get involved. Hey, Liz.
Hey, good morning, Matt and Lauren. We've got a special treat for you. So we are at the hospital, and as a part of National Wear Red Day, they're giving red caps out to all babies who are born in the month of February, and we actually want to introduce you to a family who just delivered twins. Good morning to you, Jody Carter.
Good morning. Good morning.
First of all, can you tell me, how do you feel right now?
Very tired, but very excited. I have some great babies.
I can tell, and we're going to show them off here for a little bit. Can you tell me when they were born and who's who? Names here?
They were born January 31st at 12:30, and this is Miss Carolyn Rose, and this is Mr. Matthew Samuel.
They are precious, absolutely beautiful, and obviously you guys are healthy and doing well, and they've got their red caps on here for National Wear Red Day, which is associated with heart disease and raising awareness, but we really wanted to shine a light on the babies here because everybody loves babies, and really, you are a first-time mother, and how does it feel to hold them in your arms now and have them here?
It's a blessing. It's a miracle. We've had so many people praying for them to get here and that they're happy and healthy, and that's exactly what they are.
Truly beautiful blessing. And I'll tell you what, all of you guys look great. Even Dad, too, here. And they've been here, and they understand you guys get to leave today and go home.
We are, and I'm so excited.
And can you tell me who was born first?
Mr. Matthew here was born 1 minute before his sister, and she was just a minute behind.
And they are good babies, let me tell you. Since we've been here, they've not cried or made a fuss at all. They're very sweet, and we understand that's just the nature of these two here, Matthew and Carolyn, and we just really wanted to show them off with the caps here. Again, they're raising awareness for National Wear Red Day, which is for heart disease. It affects 500,000 women a year, so we're really trying to raise awareness, and again, we're going to give you heart-healthy tips all morning here on 9 News this morning, but for now, we're live here at Baton Rouge General. I'm Liz Coe for WAFB 9
Wearing red today, maybe a pin on the lapel, perhaps?
Today is National Wear Red Day. I know I should have had like the full red ensemble, but I got my pin. It's an awareness day for heart disease, though. It's very important.
Liz Coe live at Baton Rouge General with some details on the day. Gave us a look at some cute little ones earlier. What we got now, Liz?
Hey, good morning to you guys. And Lauren, the pin still counts because if somebody notices it, you can tell them that it's National Wear Red Day. And obviously, it's associated with raising awareness for heart disease. And the American Heart Association says that it affects 500,000 women in the U.S. every year, and we're actually talking to a doctor here from the Baton Rouge Cardiology Center, Dr. Donna Adams. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
We're talking about heart health this morning, and tell me, what are some of the symptoms of a heart attack or even a heart disease?
The most common symptom kind of that everybody thinks of is chest pain, and it may not actually be pain. It's just some type of discomfort in the chest. It could be a pressure, it could be a squeeze, it could be a burning sensation. It could radiate to the arms, which is typical for men, but it could also radiate to the neck and to the teeth, to the back for women. And no sign is, specific for one gender, but it's more common. Certain things are more common in some genders. You can also have shortness of breath. Sometimes people just have shortness of breath and they don't have chest discomfort. Sometimes you can have some nausea, and that's more common in women. People can get really sweaty. They can feel dizzy, lightheaded, or just a sudden onset of fatigue. And usually these symptoms are kind of sudden. They last for a few minutes to 10, 15 minutes. Usually occur with activity, sometimes with mental stress, and usually go away with rest.
And something to note that we were talking about earlier, it's important not to dismiss these as just one-time signs and really do something about it.
Right. If you have the symptoms and they persist, then you should definitely call 911 and come to the nearest emergency department via ambulance and get assessed. If your symptoms kind of come and go, it's something that you need to seek attention with your primary care physician and let them kind of do a workup for you and see what's going on. But definitely if it's something that you're having and that it won't go away after 10, 15 minutes, then you need to call 911.
Dr. Adams, thank you so much for joining us this morning. Again, very important to note because it's a silent killer, as we've discussed all morning, and we're going to put some tips for you on how to stay heart healthy online at WAFB.com. For now, we're live here at Baton Rouge General. I'm Liz Coe for WAFB.
The American Heart Association reports that heart disease is the #1 killer of women.
That is why today is National Wear Red Day. It is a day of awareness to remind women to keep their hearts healthy. Liz Coe is live over at Baton Rouge General with more on this day. Liz?
Hey, good morning, Matt and Lauren. We're here with the Baton Rouge General Running Club, which is officially kicking off today. And it's important because exercise is one of the tips to keep your heart healthy. And we're actually talking to Trampus Hawk. He is the founder, really, of this club. Tell us a little bit about why you got this started.
Well, I really enjoy running, and I just did the Louisiana Half Marathon and saw so many other teams out there with their shirts. So I came back to Baton Rouge General and said it would be great if we could put together a running team, and they agreed. So we're kicking off today, and we're going to meet every Tuesday afternoon at 5 p.m., and this is to get everybody ready for the Heart Walk that's going to be April 8th. So great turnout, better than expected. So far, over a week of advertising within the organization, we have about almost 30 participants that signed up. So we're really excited to get this rolling.
And what a great way to kick it off on the day, National Wear Red Day, where we're talking about heart disease and raising awareness for it. And obviously running is one of the ways to keep your heart healthy. And obviously we're stretching here this morning. What's the goal? What's the overall goal of this group?
The overall goal for this phase of it is Couch to 5K. So this is for people that's never ran before, or people that are very good at running. So we just want to kind of get the organization involved a little more with health and getting there. So Couch to 5K, it's a 9-week program, and we're going to help the runners go through from being able to just walk 5K all the way up to being able to run 5K.
That's awesome. We're talking moral support. As we've said before, teamwork makes the dream work, so it helps having everybody on board this early, stretching and getting ready to run.
Absolutely. We couldn't be happier with the turnout.
That's awesome. Trampus, thank you so much for joining us this morning. We wish you guys luck on the 5K coming up in April, and we're going to put all of these tips for you online. If you want to find out more, we'll put a link for you online as well. But for now, we're live here at Baton Rouge General. I'm Liz Coe for WAFB 9.